We moms are so busy. We are juggling so much: a job, a marriage, a side hustle, kids, a home, a social life, church. We have so much to do. If we are able to just practice simple daily habits, our homes are going to thank us, and we just feel on top of the world. We will feel so organized. So this is tip number 1, is have a morning routine. Have a morning routine where you do your important tasks. Make sure they're done daily, because once you know what you're supposed to do when you wake up, for that 1 hour you have before you go to work, or if you don't go to work from outside of the home, I'm rambling, but if you don't work outside of the home, you have a chunk of time before you have to start working. So have a routine. Don't let that hour come and you don't know what you're supposed to do. Have it written down, like, when I wake up, I shower, I make my bed, I dress with shoes, I work out. Okay, preferably work out before you shower, but you get what I mean. Having a morning routine is amazing. It will save you so much time. Daily habit number 2 is make sure everything has its place. You know what they say, a place for everything and everything in its place. So that when you're tidying up, you will know where this thing goes and you will not just move it from one odd place to the next odd place. This will save you so much time and headache. Tip number 3 is having a weekly home blessing. Now, this is what it means. Take 1 hour every week. You can allocate it on a certain day, like on a Monday or on a Sunday afternoon, whichever, and just clean the main high traffic areas of your home. That means probably vacuum your carpet and then shine your windows, like in your living room, and any mirrors. Empty your garbage bins, like in the bedrooms or in the bathrooms and all that. Basically, just take 1 hour and just power clean your house. Or those places that people tend to use a lot and they can tend to be neglected. And that 1 hour will set up your week. It will set up your house for a great week ahead. Tip number 4 is have a session of picking up and putting away everything that is in the wrong place at least twice a day. Now, this works so well for us because we have kids and they will often be just moving things and all that. And one time the cushions are there, and then they're in the kitchen, then they're behind the couches and all that. But kids have to be kids and we have to let them play. However, once they are done playing, involve them in the picking up and the putting away of everything that is in the wrong place. Books that are not where they're supposed to be, have them pick up, take them to the classroom. If you have a classroom in your home, we are homeschoolers, so we do have a classroom in our home. In case you're interested, there's a video on that. But also, just have them learn and teach them by example how before you leave the living room, pick up and put away everything that is in the wrong place. Tip number 5 is keep up with the dishes in your kitchen and also put them away. I did not know until I discovered the Fly Lady system that once you wash dishes, you are supposed to put them away. I mean, who knew? Who knew? It was such news to me. But when I started doing that, my kitchen is always looking so good. And when I get a new house help, I always teach them. Make sure after you wash dishes, you dry them and you put them away. It really makes a huge difference. And don't let your dishes pile in your sink. It only takes 2 minutes. Even as you're cooking, you cook as you clean. You cook as you clean, so that after you have had your meal, the only dishes that remain to be washed are the ones that you have used. So it is so quick, it is so easy, and your home will look like that. Number 6 is keep your cleaning supplies in a convenient place, because if they are in a convenient place, you are more likely to use them. But if you have hidden them under that cupboard, which is under that sink, which is under that drawer, it will take so long before you get them. For instance, I learned from the Fly Lady system, and I've done a video on the Fly Lady system in case you're wondering what is this chick going on about. But basically, I learned that, for example, in your kitchen, when you do your daily cleaning of your bathroom, which is called the swish and swipe, what you do is you take some water and you put, the toilet brush holder, put some water in it and then put some liquid detergent, which we make our own liquid detergent. Yes, watch that video. And also we put some essential oils in it, and then you put your brush, so that when you finish showering in the morning, All you'll need to do is take that brush, it already has some nice essential oil, so it's smelling a certain type of way, and then it has some liquid detergent, and just scrub your toilet with it, and it's so easy. And it is made easy because the cleaning supplies are just there. I don't have to get out of the bathroom, or I don't know, go to the store, open 3 cupboards before I can get what I need to clean my bathroom. It's so easy and it is so quick. In the kitchen, we have a kitchen cleaning spray which we make. Of course, okay guys, let me tell you, if you're new to this channel, first of all, welcome. And I want you to know that we make most of our own cleaning products here because we love saving money, and because we're trying to save money so we can become financially free. And so we make a lot of cleaning products. If you haven't watched it, there's an amazing playlist to that. So basically, we make our own kitchen cleaner and we keep it. Guess where we keep it? Guess. Of course, we keep it in the kitchen. You guys are so bright. So yes, we keep it in the kitchen. So when we finish putting away our dishes, we do shine our sink with it. It is so easy. We have actually made a video of how to make an amazing kitchen cleaner that will keep away the bugs, put them away and keep them away. And it is so amazing. Check it out. Tip number 7 is practice the Ohio principle. Yes, I know Ohio is a state in America. And yes, if you've never been to America, well, I have never been to Ohio. And yeah, let me tell you, if I ever move to America for a week, I'm coming back with wow. You know what I'm saying? But until I go there, what Ohio means in this house, it means only handle it once. Basically, this is what we do. If you're going to put away something and something is in the wrong place, don't just pick it and then move into another wrong place that is closer to the place where it's supposed to be. I mean, if you're going to pick something, pick it up and take it to the exact place where it belongs. And that's why I was saying everything should have its place. When you do that, you'll find that cleaning up and keeping your home tidy is so easy. Don't just move something and then move it to the wrong place. It won't work. Basically, I mean, if you are liking this content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button because it really helps to grow our channel, and give us a thumbs up because it lets YouTube know that this is the kind of content that you like. And YouTube is so bright, it is going to recommend these videos to other moms like you, and they also will be helped. Now, how cool is that? Tip number 8 is what I learned from this amazing lady on YouTube called Maggie Mwende. She has such an awesome channel. Please make sure you check it out and subscribe to her channel. Now, she was doing a similar video on tips on how to keep your home clean, and her home is just #goals, let me just say. So she had this tip of, when you come out from wherever you've come out and you're at the door and you leave your shoes there. Now, this is something I had never, ever, ever had before. Thank God for YouTube and thank God for Maggie. So she said you get like a basket and put it right next to your main door so that when people walk in, they don't just leave your shoes there at the entrance like an ocean of dirty shoes. No, they pick up their shoes and they put them inside this basket. Oh, and it was such a pro tip. I mean, who would have thought? Who would have thought? So yeah, that really keeps your entrance looking so amazing. And we all know how important first impressions are. It's not nice when someone comes into your home and the first thing they're seeing is an ocean of just shoes. And others are floating there, others are upside down, others are what? It just doesn't look nice. So I really loved that tip. Tip number 9 is go through your fridge weekly. Now, this is so crucial, especially if you're like us and our fridge, people are always, you make food and then people eat half of it, and then, the kids' appetite, sometimes they're up, they're down, they're eating, they're not eating. I want, no, I don't want. Oh, it's yucky, oh, it's yummy. So sometimes you will serve food and then some of it will remain. So of course you have to put it in your fridge because you're not going to throw away food because we don't waste not, want not, and all that. So basically, we put food in the fridge. Now, what could happen is food keeps getting pushed to the back of the fridge, and then it starts getting funky and funky and funkier and funkier. And you're wondering, what? Every time you go to get something from your fridge, you're like, what is that smell? Can anybody smell that? Unless they have COVID, which I once had COVID, you guys, and I lost my sense of smell. Oh my gosh, it was so hilarious. But basically what I'm saying is, make sure you take the time once a week to remove everything in your fridge. Take out all those science experiments that are happening in your fridge and throw them away, and then put back only what is fresh and ready to be eaten. That will keep your fridge looking like this, and I think your nose will thank you. Number 10 is get your whole family involved in cleaning, including the kids. In our house, our kids help us to pick up, of course, as I said, pick up and put away. They also make sure they pick up and are in charge of their toys. Not just picking up their toys, but also washing their toys once every month, which is very, very important. And also making their own beds. Our kids make their own beds. We don't let our house helps make our kids' beds because it's their responsibility. There's so much that we don't allow our house helps to do, and there's a video to that. Please make sure you watch it. And let me just say, I love talking about house helps. I have done so many videos because we need helps on house helps. We need help with our house helps. Please check out that playlist. It's amazing. But what I am saying is, get your whole family involved. Even my husband, he's so amazing at just helping out and just doing his part in the home. Man, I married up. Yeah, I did. Number 11 is have a 15-minute nightly cleanup. This can be part of your evening routine. Like before you go to sleep, make sure you're leaving your living room in a way that you want to find it in the morning. You know, it is so nice when you wake up in the morning and your house is just looking so nice and sparkly. You know, not just having shoes all over and toys and books and blankets that you are using as you're watching TV and all that. This really helps. And it only takes 15 minutes. I promise, I guarantee you. When I was staying without a house help, because at the time I did not have a house help, I made sure I left my house looking like this before I went to sleep, because it just started off my day in a fantastic way. Check out that video because it's a story for another day. Number 12 is do your laundry every single day. Yes. Don't let your laundry pile up. Like in our house, I mean, we are 7 human beings. Can you imagine how much laundry we have in any single day? Now, can you imagine if you decided to pile it up for 2 days or 3 days? It will be a mess, a mountain, a humongous mountain of clothes. So what we do is we try to do laundry every single day. And also not just washing it, but finish it. Start like the cycle and make sure you finish the cycle. You wash it, you hang it, you pick it, you fold it, you put it away in the same day. And if you do that, it won't be so much laundry that it's overwhelming, and your house is just going to look so nice. I did a video on our laundry routine because our laundry has a life of its own and needed a video of its own to show its life, but it's really cool. Please check it out. Number 13, as I alluded to before, is teach your kids to make their own beds. These little human beings need to learn how to share and to share the workload in the home. And once the kids' beds are made, let me tell you, once their beds are made, you just walk into that room, no matter what else is going on, as long as you see beds that are made, that room looks so amazing because it makes such a difference. So we've taught our kids, at least our 6-year-old and our 4-year-old twins, to make their own bed. Yes, they're not perfect, but they're learning, and it's an opportunity for them to develop responsibility. So we only make our 2-year-old's bed. Yes, for those who don't know, we have 4 kids and the eldest is 6. Number 14, again, as I said, is teach your kids to pick up their own toys and anything they're playing with. And also, two, before you remove another toy to play with, make sure that the one you are playing with, you have put it away, so that they're not just removing toys one after the other. And you know, they get bored so easily. Make it easy for them to take a toy back, that the place where you put in the toys is easy for them to operate, so that when you finish with this toy, they're able to take it back and then they get a new one instead of just pouring all of them on the floor. I mean, it's a simple thing, but it really works. Have you hit the subscribe button yet? Have you given us a thumbs up yet? Why? Why not? But I know you have, and I thank you for it. Number 15 is reduce the amount of toys that your kids have. Yes, I know you love them. They're your precious eggs. They're so amazing. You will do anything for them. Oh, you will cross the ocean for you and all that. But if they have too many toys, first of all, when you give kids too many choices, it overwhelms them. They don't know what to play with. And also, they get bored easily. But if you give them just a select number of toys, they will make better use of them. So basically, we practice what is called toy rotation in our home. We just take all the toys and we divide them into like 4 lots. And then we put away 3 and we leave them playing with just 1. And then after a week or 2, we put those ones away and then we bring another lot of toys. And because kids have such a short memory, you would be surprised. They forget. They think these are new toys. Like, oh my gosh, you brought us new toys. And then they get so excited and they play with them, After 2 weeks, you take those ones away. Then you bring others and they get so excited, and you will always have such happy kids who think, oh, our parents are so amazing. Every 2 weeks they buy us new toys. Yeah, you're welcome. Number 16 is never leave a room empty-handed. I mean, let me tell you, when I started practicing this, I thought it was so weird. But nowadays, I subconsciously just cannot leave a room without looking around like, what does not belong here? Like, what needs to be taken away? So if I'm going to get something in my bedroom and I'm in the living room, I will literally just look around and like, okay, is there something that needs to go to my bedroom? Then I will go with it. Then when I'm in my bedroom, before I come back to the living room, I'll be like, is there something I need to go to the kitchen? And maybe there's a cup that I was drinking water with, I'll come back with it. So basically, it really helps to it takes 0 effort because you are going there anyway, but you have cleaned your house in the process. Like, ta-da! Number 17 is what we call the 5-minute rule. And this is what it means. It means that you can do anything for literally just 5 minutes, whether or not you feel like it. I mean, especially when you don't feel like it. When you're looking at that pile of clothes that needs folding and you are just feeling like, oh my gosh, who is going to fold these clothes? Remember to tell yourself that you can do anything for just 5 minutes, and literally just set a timer on your phone for 5 minutes. Fold as many clothes as you can for 5 minutes, and when the timer rings, stop. Just stop. And put those ones away. And then when you feel a little bit more motivated, set another timer for 5 minutes, fold a bit more clothes. Imagine you will shock yourself. You'll be like, who is this so organized lady? Like, I've never met her before. Because you're just doing it in chunks of like 5 minutes. And it's moving. So you had like a Mount Everest. Now it's gone to a Mount Kenya. And now it's gone to a Mount Meru. You know, like that. It's getting smaller and smaller and smaller. And if you have watched this video up to this point, all I can say is, thank you very much. So thank you, and I really appreciate your time. I do not take it for granted. Now, tip number 18, which I think is my best tip overall, is progress over perfection. Please, let's not overburden ourselves. Okay, it's not a habit, but it's really important. Let's not overburden ourselves with wanting to have perfect houses. There are no perfect homes, because guess what? That home was not built perfect. And also, it cannot be perfect if you have like imperfect people living there. And yes, in this our house, it has 7 imperfect people. So we are not expecting perfection. However, I am basically, let me speak for myself, I am expecting myself to be progressing, to be getting better at keeping my house clean. And even when I don't, I'm like, it's okay, I'm not perfect, nobody's perfect. So cut yourself some slack, love on yourself. Mama, you're doing a fantastic job. Your house is going to look amazing over time as you keep practicing this daily habit. But don't be too hard on yourself. I mean, you are juggling so much. And I think you are amazing. I think you are just a fantastic mother, fantastic wife, fantastic employee, fantastic employer, fantastic businesswoman. You're just fantastic. It's fantastic. Thank you. I will see you in the next one. Bye.